Hello people, welcome to my channel. This is my very first video that I've been making, and it is about the IELTS exam preparation. So how that exam is all about and how you can have the questions and how you can book it. I've explained everything, and this is my first video. I will also help you out with which university, which country you can select for your masters or for your any kind of studies that you want to do abroad. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Okay, so let's start. First section is the listening section, second the writing, third reading, and fourth speaking. Mostly when you book a test for an IELTS examination, there will be two parts of the examination. First will be an LRW, which will be listening, reading, and writing, and the second will be speaking. So you have to book a date for listening, writing, reading, and for speaking. So when you book the test, you have to book these two as well. When you book the test, you have to pay an amount of approximation 13 to 14,000 rupees when you book a test. It's that costly, I know. Now let's start with each sections that we have. The first section is the listening section that we have. So in listening section, it consists of 4 parts, and each part consists of 10 questions. An audio will be played, and you have to listen to the audio, and simultaneously you have to mark the questions. So first part, the audio will be played and you have 10 questions. You have to listen to the audio and then you have to mark the answer simultaneously. Trust me, it's not that hard. The audio will be played very slowly and you can easily listen to it and mark the answer. Audio won't be played for second time, so you have to be careful and you have to mark it in the first time only. Now essay, you have 4 sections, and हर एक section में you have 10 questions. So yeah, listening also it takes around 45 minutes of your examination. So yes, this was all about the listening test. Now the types of questions that you can come across in listening are the fill in the blanks, then you have multiple choice questions. So part 2 is our reading section, which consists of 3 sections. The first section consists of 13 questions, second section consists of 13 questions, and the last section consists of 14 questions, which totals around 40 questions that we have. Each section has very long paragraphs, which around 6 to 8 paragraphs you can have in one section, and you can have different types of questions which you have to answer by looking at those paragraphs. There can be match heading, there can be yes no not given, true false not given, and then you have multiple choice questions, and there can be many questions which are there, which have been designed, and you have to look at the paragraph, read it, scan it, and you have to accordingly mark the answers. It will be of 1 hour, so you have to strategize your way out to complete all those 40 sections in 1 hour. Yes, it will be time consuming process. You have to be very fast and also to be very careful to mark the correct answer. Each question consists of 1 mark, so there will be total 40, so 40 questions, so 40 marks. So the third section will be the writing section, which will also consist of 2 sections and will be of 1 hour. First section will be a graph, where you will be given a line graph or a bar graph or a diagram or a bar chart, and all these kinds of graphs, like any one of these will be given, and you have to write around 150 to 180 words, a paragraph, like what all you can see into that graph. You have to put that in a wording. There is a strategy, there is a number of passages that you have to write in the needs to be written. There is some syntax that you needs to follow, and part 2, like section 2 of writing section, consists of an essay sort of stuff, where you will be given a topic or a paragraph or a line, and accordingly there will be a question asked, so you have to answer based on the question. For example, there can be a sentence given and you have been told to write the advantages and disadvantages about the sentence that has been written. तो अकॉर्डिंगली आपको एडवांटेज और डिसएडवांटेज उसका लिखना है पैराग्राफ वाइज में एंड एज एन एसे, और उसको आपको अराउंड 250 to 300 वर्ड्स आपको लिखने पड़ेंगे. सो दीज आर द 2 sections that have planned for the writing. The last section is the speaking, which is not on the same day, it's on another day. So speaking also consists of 3 sections. First section will be a general personal question round where the examiner will ask you about some questions like for example, which city you live in, do you love your city, what was your hobbies, what was your childhood memories, and all these questions. So you have to answer it in a very informal way. You can't use slangs. Informal, you don't have to be very formal. And second section will be the examiner will give you a topic, and on that topic you have to speak around for 2 minutes, and after 2 minutes the examiner will stop you, so you don't have to worry about that, but you have to speak for around like 2 minutes, and you will be given a time to jot down the points what you have to speak about in that 2 minutes. So yeah, this was all about section 2. Section 3 will be the questions based on section 2's topic. So whatever you have spoke about for 2 minutes, the examiner will try to question you based on that, and it will be a general question which you can easily answer. So you don't have to worry about it, you don't have to panic. It's just a normal speaking test. Your English will be tested. So आपको बिल्कुल टेंशन नहीं लेना है, वो बहुत आसान होता है और आप आराम से दे सकते हो. So yeah, ये हो गया हमारा all the 4 sections of an IELTS examination. Now if you want individual section video, उसमें क्या होता है, हम कैसे टाइप के क्वेश्चंस होते हैं, how to actually tackle it, how to strategize it and stuff like that. सो आप मुझे कमेंट्स में बताओ. सो मैं उसके लिए हर एक सेक्शंस के लिए मैं एक वीडियो प्रिपेयर करूंगा और वो आपके साथ शेयर करूंगा, विच विल बी अ डिटेल्ड वीडियो जहां पे आपको हर एक क्वेश्चंस में समझाऊंगा कौन से टाइप के क्वेश्चंस होते हैं और आप उस क्वेश्चंस को किस तरीके से आप पढ़ सकते हो, क्या स्ट्रेटेजी आपको अपनानी है रीडिंग में, राइटिंग में, लिसनिंग एंड स्पीकिंग टेस्ट में, आपको किस तरीके से आपको प्रेजेंट करना है, किस तरह से आपको टाइम मैनेज करना है. तो ये सारी चीज़ मैं आपको उस एक चीज़ में बताऊंगा. एंड इफ़ यू haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it and give it the thumbs up if you have liked the video, and try to share it as much as you can. Thank you so much guys. Bye.